Exclusive e-learning. Unlimit your life. Start, change or advance your career with our world-class web design course, or simply make extra money full-time or part-time and anywhere in the world. Web design is one of the most sought-after services and professions in the world. It's well paid, doesn't necessarily require any formal qualifications, and all over the world there's massive demand and not enough quality supply. I say quality because if you want to cut it and be successful, quality is going to be important. Whoever and wherever you are and whatever you currently do to make money, this could be the game changer you're looking for. It doesn't matter what your background or past experience is, web design is open to you, and with us, it's super simple to learn. Websites have been around a long time. The first was launched in 1991, and they're not about to disappear anytime soon. In fact, as the world goes online ever more, the demand for websites continues to grow exponentially. Whether it's first-time website builds, revamps, renovations or remodels, there's way more demand than there is supply. This is where you and we come in. If you Google web design company or web designer in any given location worldwide, you'll see there are probably pages of results and seemingly masses of web designers. This may lead you to think, how could you possibly compete with all of them? It's quite simple really. Many of the so-called web designers in those Google results don't produce high quality work. Whether it's a lack of training, resourcefulness, motivation or creativity, they're falling far short of the benchmark. That leaves a big gap for you to fill as a high quality professional web designer. Did you know that some of the biggest and most successful companies like Google, Apple, Hilton, and many other multinational companies don't require a university degree to work for them? Similarly, you don't need formal qualifications to be a professional web designer. You simply need to put in the time and effort, get resourceful, grow your skills, believe in yourself, and of course, sign up with us and follow the steps we've taken 14 years to develop and fine-tune. There are many advantages to being a web designer. Here we'll list a few of the top level ones. Number 1, work from anywhere. You can work from any location you choose. All you need is your laptop, phone and an internet connection. So if you like to travel or stay at home, this is the perfect career path. Number 2, be your own boss, self-employed or work for an agency or company. You can work for yourself, establish your own web design company, or work for an established web design and marketing agency, or within a company that manages their website in-house. Number 3, flexible hours. You can choose when to work and for how long, which gives you plenty of time to do the other things you love in life or need to do. With our super efficient methods, less time can be spent working and more time playing. Or if you're saving up for something, you can put in more work time and increase your earnings. It's all up to you. Number 4, be creative. At Exclusive eLearning, we believe everyone has a creative side, and we know that anyone can learn to be more resourceful. With a little discipline, motivation and belief, you can accomplish greatness. Number 5, moving abroad or emigrating. Many countries around the world often have different criteria for emigrating to them, whether on a temporary, long-term or permanent basis. These criteria usually include some kind of score system, whereby you earn points based on your career or work type. Website designing is one of the most consistently sought after skills worldwide and justifies one of the highest scores or merits in these governmental systems. We've been developing websites for small, medium and large companies for over 14 years, and in that time have constantly evolved, developing better, more efficient systems. From creating large 300 plus page websites, medium and small sites for businesses in pretty much every niche, through to multiple e-commerce websites, we've covered a lot of ground. We produce world-class, ultra-modern, super user-friendly and actionable websites using efficient, professional methods. While we started as web designers all those 14 years ago, for a long time we've also been providing e-commerce, online store development, top-level search engine optimization, SEO campaigns, for clients which consistently accomplish top 3 Google ranks and deliver a massive return on investment to those clients. corporate identity design work such as logo, business card, email signature, letterhead, pull-up banner and company profile designs, social media establishment, branding and integration, reputation and credibility consulting and management, explainer videos and more. Early on in our journey, we found that our web design clients also needed some or all of these services in addition to a website. And in order to provide them with optimal, consistently excellent work, we decided it would be best to offer these items to them in-house and save them farming around. So in a sense, we now offer a one-stop shop solution, which our clients love. These are all skills that you can also easily branch into once you have your core service, namely website design, established. And with each new skill, you will increase your sales portfolio and revenue potential. You'll be pleased to hear we'll be developing courses for each of these additional services, so you can save yourself a whole heap of time and energy and learn our fast-tracked, proven methods. We're now busy developing our new Startup Web Design course, which follows the steps we take to create world-class websites for our clients all over the world. As one of the many benefits of this course, the website you'll build as you study with us will be your website, a portfolio if you will. It will serve as the primary platform you use to go and sell your website developer skills to your clients, and amongst the various pages you'll have a portfolio section to showcase your work. It will be your new website on your domain that you entirely own. As for the course, within it we'll start with explaining and demonstrating the foundations and basics of modern web design. We'll follow with building the website from the ground up using our tried and tested platform, systems, and the latest techniques, as well as aligning the design and development to current trends. And lastly, we'll discuss some of the many upsells that you can promote alongside your web design service. We'll also share with you one of our tried and tested methods for winning those first few much needed website design jobs. Once you've got a few jobs in your portfolio and the ball is rolling, you can use your growing portfolio, confidence, positive reviews and referrals to grow as quickly as you want to. I hope this all sounds as simple as it should, because with exclusive e-learning, it really is that simple. We've taken all that we've learned, tried, tested and proven over the past 14 years and condensed it into an easy to follow e-learning tutorial. We're offering our web design course to anyone and everyone, wherever you are in the world. From the UK to South Africa, the USA to Dubai, Australia to Italy. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Our course is available to you and your skills will be needed everywhere. While our course is being developed and finalised, stay on top of the news and events relating to this and future courses by firstly subscribing to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, hitting the like button, which will help spread the word, and filling in our quick contact form on our website at www.exclusiveelearning.com. Once you've given us your contact details, we'll also add you to our launch competition, which will give 2 learners free early access to the course, saving bundles of money. All you need to do is give us your name, email and country. Thanks for your time, and we hope you're as excited as we are about your growth. We can't wait to e-meet you.